porn-induced ADHD and how to get through study sessions without looking at porn. I'm Dr. Trish Leigh, let me tell you. Okay, I get this question all the time from students in university. I can't get through study sessions without peeking at porn. What can I do? Well, in this video, I want you to know the reason that you need to peek at porn is because you have trained your brain that there's no dopamine in studying and there's only dopamine in the easy button, and there's tons of it there. And now, unfortunately, your brain, like a little puppy, has been trained that the only way to get through some thinking is to give it hits of dopamine. Very dangerous. So, unfortunately, there's no easy magic button here. What you have to do is scaffold. It's calling scaffolding. You have to teach your brain to be able to think for longer and longer sessions without hitting the easy button. So you have to dig into your study session and stay a little bit longer than you were able to stay before taking a break for dopamine. At the same time, you have to give your brain dopamine in a healthy way, healthy mood regulation. So the easiest way is to crank some push-ups, get some blood and electrical energy flowing in your system through exercise. That's the number one way you can fire up your brain while you take breaks in your study session. But the fundamental thing you have to do is stop hitting the easy button. You have to put up some fences to be able to get away from porn, or literally you're not going to be able to think enough for long enough to be able to get yourself through university and out. And we know for the first time ever, more women are graduating from college than men. And you probably see on this channel all the comments from young men saying, I had to drop out of college. I am absolutely struggling in my studies because I just go on my phone all the time to get a little hit of dopamine while I'm studying, and then I just keep going back to it, and I can't ever gain any traction. Here's what I want you to know. Every time you take a peek and you hit the easy button, you are deactivating your frontal lobe. You're dropping out the activity in your frontal lobe, making it difficult to focus, attend, plan, organize, think, remember, have good judgments, and to be able to stay away from impulses. You're knocking that area of your brain out. So in going to the easy button for relief, you're creating the focus problems, hence the name porn-induced ADHD. You're giving yourself the brain pattern of ADHD, and you're knocking out your ability to think, retain information, and remember. So the number one thing you can do is stop watching porn. And I know that's easier said than done. The way to do it is put some defenses up to block you from going while you get an offensive plan going for more dopamine in a healthy way. That's what the programs that I've created are designed to do. I am here to tell you, get in a program, not for me, for you. I designed the program for you. There's 3 programs of different sizes and investments. In the biggest program, you can add group coaching with me so I can walk you through the process. That is the way to be the most successful. You deserve to be able to not only do your studies, but enjoy them. I love college. I literally would stay in university for my entire life if I could pull it off. I've actually designed my life so that a couple times a week, I look at the research and here I am teaching. I don't know if you know this. I have been a university professor for 25 years, believe it or not. I love university life. It is one of the biggest privileges in the entire world. Don't ruin it for yourself. Get out of the easy button mode. Get back to doing your studies and enjoying your studies so you can rock out your best life and thrive. You deserve it. If you want my help, I'd love to help you. So go on over to drtrishleigh.com. If not, stay here, subscribe, watch the videos, implement the brain tip strategies. So the strategy for today is to scaffold. Give yourself longer and longer think time, then go regulate in a healthy way. All right. And as always, control your brain or it'll control you.